Alpine PWE-S8 Kompakt-Subwoofer Review. Under-seat bass that actually sounds clean. You're driving your favorite song and everything sounds fine until the bass line drops and nothing happens. Just thin, flat emptiness where the kick drum should punch. A commuter played a track she'd loved for years and realized her factory speakers had been hiding half the song from her the entire time. That moment stings quietly. Drop a comment if your car stereo has ever made a great song sound mediocre. Here's what that missing bass quietly drains from every drive. Music loses its emotional weight, long commutes feel flatter and more exhausting, and songs you used to feel in your chest now just float past your ears with zero impact. A truck owner tried cranking the volume to chase bass and only got distortion and a suffocating headache. Something smarter exists now, and it fits where you'd never expect. This is where the Alpine PWE-S8 compact-powered 8-inch car subwoofer completely transforms your daily driving experience. Don't just buy any compact car subwoofer. Make sure it has a built-in Class D amplifier with 120 watts matched to a sealed enclosure so you never suffer from boomy, sloppy bass that overwhelms your music instead of completing it. Again, the PWE-S8 slides under your seat completely invisible and delivers tight musical bass that fills in everything your factory speakers have been missing. A sedan owner installed one under his passenger seat and played his morning playlist the next day. He pulled over to text his wife that their car suddenly sounded like a completely different vehicle. The 8-inch high-excursion cone reaches down to 32 Hz, meaning kick drums have actual punch and bass guitars carry real weight without rattling a single panel. Speaker-level inputs mean it connects directly to your factory stereo, no head unit replacement needed. The adjustable crossover and phase control let you blend the sub seamlessly with your existing speakers, so it sounds factory integrated, not aftermarket bolted. Here's a bonus most people miss. The auto turn-on feature means the sub powers itself when your stereo starts. Zero extra buttons, zero hassle, zero thought required. Which would change your drives more? Finally hearing the bass or keeping every inch of trunk space? Here's what unfolds over real daily use with the Alpine PWE-S8 compact-powered 8-inch car subwoofer. Immediate result. Turn on your stereo the morning after installation and hear bass notes that literally did not exist in your car before. The transformation is obvious within the first song. Weekly win. After 7 days, your entire music library sounds rediscovered because the low-frequency foundation changes how mid-range and treble frequencies sit in the mix, making everything sound fuller and more balanced. Long-term shift. 3 months in, you stop noticing the subwoofer entirely because it integrates so naturally that it just sounds like your car has a genuinely good audio system now. A car audio publication confirmed Alpine's tuning is refined and musical. The bass enhances the listening experience rather than overwhelming it. One professional installer noted, customers consistently say the PWE-S8 makes the entire system sound better, not just the bass, but the overall balance of the music. Industry analysts identified Alpine's built-in amplifier matching as a key engineering advantage that minimizes distortion and ensures optimal performance that random component matching cannot guarantee. A long-term owner reported 2 years and 40,000 miles, zero issues, zero degradation, sounds exactly like the day I installed it. Worried 120 watts won't be enough compared to bigger subwoofers? Alpine's sealed enclosure and precisely matched amplifier produce more usable, satisfying bass than the power rating suggests because the engineering is optimized for quality and efficiency, not raw volume. Multiple reviewers specifically praise the absence of boominess. You hear every individual kick drum hit rather than a blurred mess. What matters most to your driving experience? The tight musical bass, the zero trunk space loss, or the plug-and-play simplicity that works with your factory stereo?
Join the many drivers, commuters, and truck owners already using the Alpine PWE-S8 Kompakt-powered 8-inch core subwoofer to hear what their factory stereos have been hiding from them. Clean, controlled musical bass without sacrificing a single inch of cargo space. This is the compact-powered subwoofer that fits under your seat and makes your entire audio system sound complete. Results may vary based on vehicle fitment and system configuration. Demand for this model stays consistently strong across car audio retailers and installers. Link in the description and pinned comment. Experience the difference on your next drive.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.